how to change flight date in Airasia. So if you want to change the flight date in your Airasia, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for airasia.com and make sure to log into your account. So once you're here on the Airasia, now on the bottom right side of your screen, you will have the bot. You can simply click on chat with bot and you will have the chat, right? So you just need to enter Asia flights. And once you enter the Airasia, now you need to simply go for the booking changes option. Click on booking changes. So they will send you a complete information on how you can change your flight. So need to change your Airasia flight? We've got you covered. Are you changing your flight voluntarily or because of a recent issue with Airasia flight? If you're making a change voluntarily, I can guide you through the options and any fees involved. So you can simply choose voluntary change or change request due to flight disruption. You can simply choose any one of these options. So if you choose a voluntary change, then you will get the answers according to that. So it will give you all of the steps on how you can cancel or how you can change your flight date. So you can take the help of the bot and you will have all of your answers. So that's how you can change your flight date in Airasia. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.